Woogers, I'm back at y'all again with another video. I came home from work just to have a little brunch with my sugar woogers. I'm going to go ahead and say this prayer and then I'm going to get right into this, okay? Amen. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. Also, if you always come out, thank you for always showing Sugar Mama some love. Look, y'all. Oh my God. It was a struggle. You hear me? I've been trying to do this all day, but you know, lift just kept going off. It just kept calling my name, so I just kept on working. So, I'm doing the Chick-Fil-A chicken sandwich. Yes, I wanted to do the Popeyes also. But I'm going to go ahead and do this. The reason why I didn't do Popeyes, because you know, number one, I'm not sitting in a line for an hour for a chicken sandwich. I am really curious about the fuss about that chicken sandwich. And also, they were sold out. So even if they still had it, I don't know how long that line would have been if I even tried. So I am going to get that chicken sandwich. I just don't know when. Whenever they come back with it, and I'm not going to drive all over the world looking for the sandwich. You know, I'm sure the fuss is about something. So I will get to that. But right now, this is what I'm bringing. I haven't had a Chick-fil-A sandwich in a long time. So I'm going to just go ahead and have fun with this one and eat it and bring back my memory on how it tastes. Excuse me. You know? You know? It's still good like I remember. I mean, I don't know. The last time I did it. I gotta go check my videos. That's the last time I did it. Last time I did Chick-fil-A. But I like to dip my fries in the sauce too. Who's long? I can't believe everybody is really acting crazy about a chicken sandwich. I can't wait to see what it's all about. Now, I wonder. I wonder if it do taste better than this. I guess I'll find out. And when I get it, I sure gonna let y'all know. I know some of y'all had it, so I already know. So won't y'all tell me, how long did y'all stand in line? Comment below. How long y'all stood in line for that chicken sandwich? So, I went into a Popeyes around here, where I live, and they had signs everywhere. Coming back soon. All the chicken sandwiches. I'm like, wow. And the other day, I was riding past it, and the line was really, really long. I said, whoa, really? People are not joking about it. Oh my God. Set it up for display. Mm. These fries are really good too. Promise y'all, as soon as they get it back, and I ain't gotta wait an hour for it, I'm gonna go check it out. I'm gonna check it out. Mm. It is good though. So I gotta remember that taste because I ain't getting both of them. I'm gonna just go and try that one. I had to remember this one. Um, if y'all did do it, which one y'all like the best? This one, Chick-Fil-A, or Popeyes? Y'all, it's going slow. I'm still almost at 200, but I'm thankful for what I have. Well, sugar will just help, man. Come on, get it up to that 200. Well, it's only 200. I know. Got a long way to go. But it's okay. It's okay. Oh, the display fell. Y'all know what it look like. I'm having another one. Another one. Uh-oh, there go one of them. I ain't gonna buy it. I always try to do stuff while I'm trying to do something. That Winston. Coke soda, you know, they got that good ice there too. Woo, excuse me. That's all the fries I have left. Do y'all think it's worth sitting in line or standing in line for an hour for a chicken salad? Huh? You think it's worth it? Let me know. No. Then I would have had two. Look, I'm full on this. So, start my little notification thing. So, the first couple of people, of course, y'all know, that comment on my videos when I upload. I don't have that many subscribers, but hey, every little bit count. Right, my little woman. So, whoever comment on my videos, first couple of people, about 3, I'll shout you out, you know, in my video. And I got 3 now that I'm going to start off with. Okay? Well, I do know that this chicken sandwich is good. It's because Chick-Fil-A is all about their sandwiches and stuff and their chicken and stuff, right? They sure don't sell out. No. They don't sell out. Alright. Sugar. I hope I say you guys' names right. Because my first Sugar Wuga notification. Who's going to be notified by Sugar Mama? No. Anyway. The first one is Whamzy. I hope I'm saying it right. Whamzy. ASMR. It should be flashing up as I say you guys' name. Thank you for commenting and coming by, showing Sugar Mama some love. I really, really appreciate. Continue to come on by. Continue to show me love. I love you. Thank you. And then, my next Sugar Wuga that I'm going to shout out is Alusha. I hope I'm saying that right. Alusha Show. You see it? I popped you up. It should be a pop-up right there. But anyway, Alusha, thank you so much for coming by, commenting on my little videos. I appreciate all the love you show. Thank you so much. And my third Sugar Wuga that I'm going to shout out is Kendra Giles. Am I saying it right? If it's not Kendra, it's Sandra Giles. But it should be flashing up. You see you. You see you. Anyway, thank you so much for coming by, showing Sugar Mama some love. I appreciate your comments. I appreciate all the love you're showing me. And I thank you so much. I love you. All right. So, my Sugar Wugas. Excuse me. My brunch was good. Did y'all enjoy? What did y'all eat for brunch when y'all came? Did y'all eat anything while I was eating? Comment below what you want to see me do next. I always say that. Why I always gotta do this? Y'all see me doing it. But anyway. Alright, my Sugar Wuggers, I'm going to let y'all go if you already didn't let me go. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Thumbs up the video. Subscribe. Comment, share, all that good stuff. And I'm going to leave my Sugar Wuggers with a great big